Number 1. Mansory Ford GT. Starting off our list with something truly special, the Mansory Ford GT, or as they call it, the Le Mansory. Limited to just 3 units worldwide, this is Mansory's boldest take on American motorsport history. The full carbon fiber body is widened by 5 centimeters, featuring bespoke LED headlights, enlarged air intakes, and a more aggressive aerodynamic profile that makes an already menacing machine even more striking. Step inside, and the transformation is just as extreme. Ford's minimalistic approach is completely reimagined. White-blue Alcantara now covers the dashboard and sports seats, paired with exposed dark gray carbon fiber, creating a cockpit worthy of a race-winning machine. Under the hood, Mansory pushes the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 to 710 horsepower and 840 Newton-meters of torque, paired with forged 21-inch wheels wrapped in Continental Sport Contact 6 tires. This beast grips the road like a true Le Mans competitor. With only 3 units in existence, the Le Mansory isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream, estimated at over $2 million. Number 2. Mansory Bugatti Veyron. Next on our list is pure automotive artistry, the Mansory Bugatti Veyron Linea Vincero, a hypercar that redefines exclusivity. Taking the legendary Bugatti Veyron, Mansory transforms it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, combining extreme performance with bespoke luxury. The exterior is a work of art, featuring a full carbon fiber body, an aggressive front fascia, wider air intakes, and a completely redesigned front grille. Inside, Mansory elevates the cabin to unparalleled luxury. Expect premium leather, exposed forged carbon fiber, and intricate custom detailing, all handcrafted for maximum exclusivity. The interior is a blend of motorsport DNA and artistic refinement, ensuring that every drive feels like a special occasion. Under the hood, Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, boosting its output to 1,100 horsepower. This engineering marvel stays true to its name, Linea Vincero, with the meaning of "I will win." And with a price tag exceeding $3 million, this is one of the rarest hypercars on the planet. Number 3. Mansory Stallone GTS. At number 6, the Mansory Stallone GTS transforms the Ferrari 812 GTS into a breathtaking open-top masterpiece. The exterior commands attention with its Daytona gray paint, enhanced by forged carbon fiber bodywork. A redesigned front apron, sculpted side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser improve aerodynamics while maintaining the Ferrari's signature elegance. Inside, Mansory's craftsmanship is on full display. The cabin is wrapped in deep blue leather, contrasted by white accents and exposed carbon trim. A custom Mansory sports steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and precision-stitched logos elevate the cockpit's exclusivity. Even the illuminated door sills and premium detailing create an atmosphere that blends sportiness with pure luxury. Under the hood, the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 now delivers 830 horsepower, catapulting this machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds. This Stallone GTS delivers both power and freedom at the push of a button. Starting at $850,000, it's a Mansory-tuned Ferrari, built for those who demand the thrill of open-air performance and unmatched luxury. Number 4. Mansory Maserati. Maseratis return to the supercar scene with the MC20, which was already stunning, but Mansory takes it to another level with the first edition. This full conversion is built for both performance and presence, with a forged carbon fiber body, widened wheel arches, and a massive rear wing for maximum downforce. At the front, enlarged air intakes ensure peak cooling, while the newly designed four-pipe exhaust system delivers a brutal soundtrack. Inside, Mansory transforms the cabin into a tricolor masterpiece, reflecting the Italian flag with yellow, white, and black leather. The hand-stitched seats, bespoke carbon fiber trim, and Mansory sports steering wheel elevate the MC20 to an entirely new level of craftsmanship. Even the floor mats and seat belts match the custom aesthetic, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Under the hood, Mansory dials up the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. Boosting it to 720 horsepower, propels the MC20 from 0 to 100 in just 2.7 seconds. Starting at $450,000, this Mansory Maserati MC20 isn't just a supercar, it's a statement of precision, speed, and Italian passion. Number 5. The Mansory Roma. Ferrari calls the Roma La Nuova Dolce Vita, but Mansory calls it a carbon-clad monster. The elegant GT Coupe receives a full Mansory transformation. The full carbon fiber bonnet, sculpted front apron, and aerodynamic side skirts create a bolder, more dynamic look. Mansory's forged black sport rims complete the visual overhaul, ensuring the Roma dominates both the streets and the track. Step inside, and the interior is completely reupholstered in rich red leather, accented with black applications and carbon fiber trim. Mansory's hand-stitched details, custom steering wheel, and aluminum pedals enhance both comfort and performance, making the Roma feel like a handcrafted masterpiece. Under the hood, Mansory elevates the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, cranking it up to 710 horsepower and 865 newton-meters of torque. This newfound power slashes the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time to just 3.1 seconds. With a starting price of $500,000, the Mansory Ferrari Roma takes Italian luxury and turns it into something truly menacing. Number 6. Mansory AMG SL. Few cars capture open-top grand touring like the Mercedes AMG SL, and Mansory takes it to a whole new level. The SL63 receives a full wide-body transformation, featuring forged carbon accents across the front apron, side skirts, and rear diffuser. A redesigned bonnet and carbon fiber wing enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics, while massive 22-inch forged wheels complete its menacing stance. Step inside, and the interior is a showcase of pure craftsmanship. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, customizable to match any exterior color. Carbon fiber inlays, a leather carbon sports steering wheel, and Mansory aluminum pedals elevate the experience, ensuring sport meets sophistication. Under the hood, the P850 variant pushes it further to 850 horsepower and 1,150 newton-meters, slicing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour to just 3.2 seconds. Priced at $400,000, this Mansory SL is a blend of power, luxury, and road presence like no other. Number 7. Mansory Aventador. The Mansory Carbonado GTS is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece built as a final tribute to the legendary Aventador SVJ Roadster. With a full forged carbon fiber body, this hypercar redefines aggression, featuring a stealth fighter-inspired design that commands attention. The striking two-tone Cupreus copper and black finish adds an ultra-exclusive look, while a redesigned front apron, larger air intakes, and an extended rear diffuser optimize aerodynamics. Step inside, and the interior mirrors the exterior, with Cupreus accents and forged carbon fiber trims. Custom arrow-shaped stitching runs across the premium leather seats, while Mansory adds a flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel. bespoke embroidery, and aluminum pedals, ensuring a race-inspired, high-tech atmosphere. Under the hood, Mansory pushes the 6.5-liter V12 to an astonishing 820 horsepower, launching the Carbonado GTS from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Sitting on forged 20 and 21-inch wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, it delivers maximum grip and stability. This one-to-one masterpiece comes with a price tag of $1.6 million. Number 8. Mansory 911 Turbo. Taking the top spot, the Mansory turns the Porsche 911 Turbo S into an uncompromising performance machine. This limited edition hypercar, only 10 units worldwide, features a full carbon fiber body, an aggressive new aero kit, and a striking two-tone paint option for those who want to stand out even more. Inside, Mansory transforms the cabin into a high-tech luxury cockpit. The steering wheel combines carbon fiber and leather, with painted accents matching the interior theme. A built-in digital display and shift light elevate the driving experience, while the entire cabin is reupholstered in premium, glove-soft leather. Every inch, from the custom floor mats to the carbon dashboard trims, is personalized to the owner's exact specifications. Under the hood, Mansory's upgrades push the 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six to a staggering 900 horsepower, sitting on forged 21-inch front and 22-inch rear wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires. The 911 Turbo delivers hypercar levels of grip and agility. With a price tag of $600,000, this is the ultimate expression of power, luxury, and exclusivity.